Hi, welcome back. I'm Laura.
And I'm Xochitl.
And we're the
Sisters. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different for you guys.
Yeah, our sister actually got us this box from the brand Petit Vour. I think that's how you say it.
Not sure. We'll definitely put the name of the website in the description box for you guys.
And it's pretty much like an all vegan website, and it like has things like skincare and makeup and just kind of all kinds of beauty products.
Yeah, and then it also has like apparel and accessories, all vegan as well.
And so what our sister got us was the beauty box. And so it's just gonna have, I guess, like little beauty products.
Yeah, we're not exactly sure. We're kind of excited to just open it because she was like, don't open it until you actually start filming.
Yeah, she wanted to see our reaction, so you will.
So we're just gonna give you guys our feedback on the actual products and
how we like it.
Yep.
All right, so let's just get into it.
Okay, well, the box is now open. It has like a little card in it. We'll read that later. So let's get into the product.
This is the product. This one, let's see, what is this? This is a Integrity. It's a cleansing oil. Organic cleansing oil.
What is it even for?
So makeup/sunscreen. Makeup/sunscreen remover.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I think it's like
a
makeup remover. Yeah, that's pretty much what I think it is. And it's from the brand Integrity.
Yep, and then it's USDA organic, vegan for all skin types.
So, okay, so it's just like a little pump, and so I'm guessing that's just. It looks like a cleanser.
Oh yeah.
Yep, it's just like
yeah.
Oh, it's an oil. Like it is an oil,
God.
and it removes makeup. So it's a cleansing oil.
That's exactly what it said.
I thought it would it cleansed the oil away. I didn't know it was a cleansing, like an oil that cleanse. I don't know. I didn't know you could cleanse your face with oil.
Well, we're definitely going to try that.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, the next one is the Last Looks Cream Blush. It's from Juice Beauty.
Oh,
okay.
I've tried.
We've heard of this brand.
Yeah. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of their foundation, at least. But I've never tried any of their other products. And that
blush looks really pretty. It looks perfect for like spring, summer.
Yeah. Let me see. Try it. Oh,
okay. It's a cream.
Wow, and you're talking about how I'm dumb for not knowing this was an oil.
Well, it looks pretty.
That's really intense too.
It looks really.
Does it smell good?
It doesn't have a scent.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, that's fine. But it looks really pretty.
It does. It's gonna look. I always wanted to try cream blushes because they just look more natural, and especially for like the summer if you don't want to put on too much makeup.
Just add a little bit.
Careful. Let's see how that blends.
Oh, yeah.
Did it do anything? I can't see. You guys let us know.
You guys
can't see anything. Well, you didn't put that much on, but
no, it's because I already have makeup on.
Yeah.
I think you could see it. I think I might have went a little too hard.
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. This looks really pretty, so I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
All right.
That's
this
one
looks. Yeah, I really like this. I think we might actually really use that.
Yeah.
Or try it out.
So this next one is a pina colada. Oh, it's a sugar lip polish.
Oh, okay.
I should use that right now.
I love these.
I love these. We always get them and I forget to use them, and then they dry up and I'm sad. So yeah, just to like a sugar scrub.
I love the sugar scrubs.
Cause you gotta eat them after.
Can't eat it right now, but
I know this wasn't
actually,
a good idea.
I don't know. You're supposed to eat it, Lana.
With sugar.
I know, but you don't.
How would you get it off?
With water.
I would eat it. Just what I do.
Okay. Okay. Another one is this. It's like a sample. Sorry. A sample product.
It's a face cream. Says it right there.
I was getting there, Laura.
Okay.
I was getting to there. It's a face cream. Okay. Let's see. It says it's non-GMO.
It's a goji. Oh, like the goji berry. those are full of antioxidants. Rip it up.
Okay, so it's a face cream. So this after you like take your makeup off and stuff, right?
You know, my lips are actually getting a little tingly. I think from the sugar scrub. Do you feel that? Yeah, mine are feeling a little tingly. But anyways, yeah. So this is for what? After you obviously cleanse your face.
Maybe you cleanse your face with this. Probably not, just because you don't want to
oil and cream. I don't know. I know there's like an oil cleansing method where you oil your face and then like you put like a warm towel on it and like that's supposed to like clean it. And then you put the cream. I don't know. I don't know too much about that. I've just heard about it.
I don't know. We'll just have to try it out. But I think there's one more product.
Yeah. This last product is immediate skin perfecting beauty mask. Oh, okay.
Okay, a mask.
That's cool. I've never had a mask.
Me either.
I don't know who's gonna have to try it because there's only one. It feels.
Well, you know what? There's not that much of this cream.
So I guess I'd rather do the mask.
I'd rather do the cream. Okay. Honestly, I'm kind of lazy when it comes to.
If this is just the mask that you put on.
I feel like so. I'm still gonna be too lazy.
So this says that at the heart of this Ultra Effect Mask treatment, it has 4 synergies, which is detox, peel, and brighten and firm. Okay.
That sounds good. Actually. I might have to fight over it.
No, we already picked. You got that.
We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors.
No.
I always win.
No. So I'm excited to try this.
Yeah, but those are all the little products. I think this is $15
a month, a subscription. So like if you do a monthly subscription, like I think it's 6 months, you get it for $15.
Yeah, I don't know if this is worth it.
It's $18 if you just do 1 month. So like this one was $18, and I mean you get a few products.
The only thing is like, for me, the only reason I'm not such a huge fan of
a subscription
box is because what if you don't really use them? And then like,
so it's like great if you don't really know what you like, and so you just want to try out a bunch of.
If you're like that type of person that likes to do things like that, then it'll be great for you. But for me personally, I don't really love trying new things.
Yeah.
So.
But I mean, I like it because I mean I don't know how much all of this would be separately. I know that Juice Beauty is not cheap, so I'm sure that this was like a good deal for what you're getting, because I actually am really excited to try the blush and some of this stuff. But yeah, like I don't love subscriptions because sometimes I feel like I'm overwhelmed by how many products build up that I might not use. Like I might just like end up liking 1 or 2,
and then you just end up with a whole chunk drawer, which we already have.
Yeah. So this is definitely like something like for luxury, like you want to treat yourself.
Yeah, I think that.
Or like as a gift. I think that's really cute. Like my sister got it for us.
Yeah.
Thank you, Myra. We do like it. We'll try it.
Yeah.
But
so those are all the products. This was definitely something really different for us. We don't usually do.
Yeah, you guys should let us know if you guys like this, like where we like review things. Yeah.
Or if you guys want us to review something in specific, you can always let us know in the description. I mean, not in the description box. You guys can right there.
In the comment section.
Below.
And just let us know like if you guys have ever tried any of these and how you guys like them. Okay. Alright.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching.
And if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe.
I told you I wasn't gonna take long.
I think that one's good.